Good morning, people. Randall J here with some more coherent drivel. Yesterday I talked about my exponential gravity theory, whereas when something falls into a black hole, the neutrons end up weighing more than the material that falls into the black hole after everything's burnt up into plasma. The neutrons go to the center, which is actually a neutron star. Okay, so the exponential gravity theory is the beginning of the popcorn universe theory as to this. Okay, so all the galaxies are in that spiral thing, and they're all getting sucked up by the black hole. It's like water going down the drain. Eventually, see, everything that falls into the black hole at the center of the galaxy makes the black hole stronger. And if my theory is correct, it gives it exponentially more gravity than the material that's fallen into it. You see? And so the gravitational reach is a little further. And over whatever, billions and billions and billions of years, the whole galaxy will eventually fall into that black hole, supermassive black hole. Okay, now, if the exponential gravity theory is correct, I'm betting that, and I know it's not really, it's very iffy because the universe is expanding, but I'm thinking that the exponential gravity will be strong enough that when these supermassive black holes are all that's left, they'll start to collect each other, And if they collect each other into this, just the unbelievably large black hole, at some point, the gravitational pull will be so strong that it'll attract all the radiation left over in the universe, like everything, right? And that will be kind of like an atmosphere around the neutron star at the center of the black hole. It's mostly kind of resembles a neutron star. And then sooner or later, the heat will become so large that it'll be like popcorn in a way, where the outer edge of the black hole will become so superheated, and there'll be a popping, the opposite of m equals mc squared, the opposite, the fusion will occur, and when that happens, it'll be a series of explosions, okay, like popcorn. And this could explain a lot of things. It could explain why the outer galaxies are moving more quickly than the inner galaxies. It could explain how they just found galaxies further away than they ever thought, that are bigger than they ever thought, It could explain a lot of things. Now, it's just naive, perhaps, I agree. But, I don't know the big words, and I can't do the math, so you got me there. But there is something to be said for the possibility of the popcorn universe theory. It's beautiful, isn't it? Anyway, okay, that's pretty much it. Any questions, any comments you want to criticize and or look into further, conversate with rjsolartech@gmail.com. Thanks a lot.